Now our system is fully installed and we need to go through the startup procedures. To start, we need to put all of our regenerating tanks into bypass. The picture shown shows the system in service, which means water would flow in and out of the tank. We need them in bypass, so we'll move them to this position, where the water does not enter and exit the tank. It simply bypasses through the plumbing. At this point, we're ready to turn the main water supply back on to the system. Make sure that the nearest faucet is still open. This will allow water to flow through and expel any trapped air. Once the water comes to smooth flow, turn it off and allow the system to pressurize. Now we can start plugging the systems into power. Now I'm ready to plug in the UV power supply. The startup procedure for the UV takes about 2.5 minutes in real time. For video purposes, we've sped it up. But ultimately, you're looking for the check mark and the 365-day counter. Now, I'm ready to put each of the regenerating tanks through a regeneration cycle. I'll start from the right to the left, opening each of the bypass valves one at a time, allowing the system to go through a regeneration, and then opening up the next and the next until all three have gone through regeneration cycles. Your system is now ready for use.